everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Mohsen Ali and you are watching Global Scope News. And today we are going to discuss the recent debate between Donald Trump and Kamala Harris. This debate was full of fiery movements and in today's video I will break down the 6 key highlights that you don't want to miss. Make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video to stay updated with more news content. Let's get started. The handshake movements. The first highlighted on the debate was the handshake between Donald Trump and one and only Kamala Harris. It was a small movement but very important when they came out onto the stage. Kamala Harris walked straight to the Trump and offered him to handshake. She said, "Let's have a good debate." And Trump responded by saying, "Nice to see you. Have fun." It was a simple exchange, but this handshake was the first time a handshake had happened in a presidential debate in 8 years. Kamala Harris spent most of the debates looking directly at Trump, sometimes smiling, sometimes shaking her head while he spoke. Trump, on the other hand, kept a serious look and focused straight ahead while she was talking. This small movement set the tone for the rest of the debate. Even thoughts that were polite at first, it was clear they were both ready to go head to head and challenge each other. Harris takes the offensive. From the very beginning, Kamala Harris did not hold back. She attacked Donald Trump on various issues, including his handling of COVID-19 pandemic and his involvement in multiple criminal trials. She also pointed out how Trump has used racial issues and divide people in the United States. This was a big moment because it showed Harris was not afraid to challenge Trump directly. In return, Trump focused on criticizing the Biden-Harris administrations for problems with inflation and immigration. He also tried to paint Harris as a Marxist and accused her of having no real plans for the country. Trump even mocked Harris by saying that people get bored at her rallies and leave early. To watch, Harris responded by making fun of Trump's rally size. It was a heated exchange. And both of them tried to outsmart each other throughout the debate. I am talking now. One of the memorable moments from the debate was when Trump interrupted Harris while she was speaking. Harris quickly responded by saying, "I am talking now," a phrase that echoed from the one of the earlier debates in 2020. This simple phrase became a symbol of her confidence and refusal to be interrupted. It was a way for Harris to take control of the conversation and make sure she had her voice heard. Trump also reminded the audience about the attempt on his life, which he blamed on the hated rhetoric from Democrats. He even said, "I probably took a bullet to the head because of the things they said about me," showing how seriously he takes the threats he is faced. Wild crimes about dogs and cats. during the debate. Crimes about dogs and cats. During the debate, Trump brought up a strange story about Haitian migrants in Ohio, claiming that they were stealing pets and eating them. City officials had already denied this claim, but Trump still talked about it during the debate. He said, "They are eating the dogs, they are eating the cats, they are eating the pets of the people that live, there." Kamala Harris responded by calling Trump's claims extreme and made it clear that she did not take it seriously. This part of the debate showed how Trump sometimes uses unverified claims to make a point. While Harris tried to keep the conversation focused on real issues, arguments about policies, Trump tried to argue that Kamala Harris had no real policies and was just copying some of his ideas. He even joked that he would send her a mega hat because she was trying to take credit for his plans. Harris, however, stood her ground and insisted that she had her own plans for the economy and other issues. When asked about his plans to replace Obamacare, Trump admitted that he had concepts of a plan, but did not provide any clear details. These movements showed that Trump was struggling to provide specific answers to some of the big issues being discussed. Harris and gun ownership. One of the final highlights of the debate was the discussions about gun ownership. Trump tried to label Harris as a radical liberal who wanted to take everyone's guns away. He accused her of having a plan to defund the police and confiscate guns from law, abetting citizens. Harris denied these claims and revealed that she herself is a gun owner. She said that both she and her running mate, Tim, was own gun, but they also support together gun laws. This part of the debate was important because it showed that Harris trying to balance her support for stricter gun laws with the fact that she herself is a responsible gun owner, and that wraps up of the 6 key highlights from the Kamala Harris versus Donald Trump debate. It was a night full heated exchange, personal attacks, and some surprising moments. Harris managed to keep Trump on the defensive for most of the night, and many believe she came out on the top. But no matter who you support, this debate gave us a clear look at how both candidates plan to approach the upcoming election. That's it for today. Thank you for watching Global Scope News. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more updates on political debates and news from around the world. See you in the next video and take care.